What is up, guys? So for today, the first part of the analysis of Bitcoin versus US dollar. So we are going to analyze based on the history of Bitcoin itself. What is the main history behind Bitcoin when it initially started and then to the current price? So as you guys can see, at first Bitcoin was around like $9, even $1 in the past, during like in the year of 2013 and all, and then it flew up all the way to $1,000, guys. And then, so looking at the pumps, the huge pump, just let's just imagine this happened in 2020 lah, 2020 2021. So and then this is like the current situation lah where we are in. So it's like down, going on a downwards trend. So what to learn here is from the history of Bitcoin is that before it changes direction and fly onward on top, let me see, before it changes direction and go upwards again, what Bitcoin does is that Bitcoin goes in a sideways direction. As can you guys see? Can you guys see? Sideways. Let me just remove all of this. Let me just remove quickly all of this. As you guys can see in this box, in this particular blue color box, right, Bitcoin goes, that means the price is weakening towards the downtrend and then changes its trends to go onwards and uptrend. Okay, you guys don't believe me, right? Let's go towards the second part where Bitcoin flew up again. Okay, let's go towards this. Okay, so this is basically the 2017 time where Bitcoin flew up. Okay, see, Bitcoin flew up back already. Flew up during 2017, 2018. Go down, and then as you guys can see this part. Let me make it clearer. Yes, this part. So it goes towards sideways first, and bear in mind this is monthly chart, guys. If you can see weekly, it has been being on sideways for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, almost 16 weeks before it flew up. And then coming back to our latest chart, so as you can see, this is the latest one. So now, as usual, let me go back to my monthly chart again. Okay, so we can see that Bitcoin is still going on a downwards trend, and it can go up. Maybe it can go up, but not towards the all-time high. No, never. It can go up, but not towards the all-time high. It can go up just to be an exit liquidity for the whale investors. Exit liquidity for the whale investors means that those guys who invested a huge lump sum of money, right? They pump the money here, and then once the Bitcoin flies up, thinking they're giving a false direction to all those retail investors, such as like all of us, and then they sell and then fall back again. It could happen. So basically here, right, it has been an exit liquidity lah for those investors. Or this part where it came down, right, people bought, and then those whale investors exceeded their liquidity. So there is chances to happen, but we aren't sure what is going to happen. But we can give an insight on like what are the probabilities and the possibilities to happen lah. Okay, so coming back here, so now it has reached the 2018 previous all-time high. It has touched lah, and then it's not going back here again. So what is the point to be noted here is that it has to make sideways, price has to weaken first and then only shoot up back. So once it made the all-time high right here, coming back here, you know how long it took or not, guys, to go all the way up here to break the previous all-time high? From 2018 until 2021. 3 freaking years. 3 years, guys. So basically, as you guys know, every 4 years, Bitcoin goes into the halving period. So which is why on 2018, after the halving period, it flew up. After 2021, it flew up. So my analysis and my prediction is that now we are in a bear market, but we haven't go to a phase where it's going to wipe out all the retail investors first. Wiping out retail investors means that it's going to go to a price where we wouldn't even estimate or wouldn't even expect. So for example, looking at the analysis done, okay, I'm just going to give you a rough analysis, guys. Okay, looking at the support and resistance. Bitcoin's resistance is here now, this green color one, and if it breaks this part, it can go all the way next to this part, which is on 11,000 rings, and if it still breaks this part, you can go all the way up to 7,000. And I have seen an analysis done by a trader, a famous trader. I mean, not to say famous trader, he's done quite well. He said that get ready to buy Bitcoin at this range, 3,900 to 3,600, guys. He said he asked to buy at this price. So for now, the best thing we can do is to dollar cost average. To dollar cost average, guys. Dollar cost average means that as the price of the Bitcoin goes lower, keep buying. If the price of the Bitcoin goes above the initial price that you bought, don't buy. For example, you've bought Bitcoin at 20,000 ringgit. So when it goes down to 19,000, 18,000, keep buying. If it goes above 20,000, which is like 21,000, 22,000, don't buy. Just stay away from the market. Okay. And talking about dollar cost averaging, right? For example, if you have 10,000, start investing low amounts of money first, like 100 ringgit, 200 ringgit. Don't like straight away go to 3,000 all straight. No, that is not the best thing about dollar cost averaging. The best thing about dollar cost averaging, you know the price is going to go lower, but you don't know when. But if you don't want to miss the boat, start dollar cost averaging in a little amount. When you betul confident, you know that is the lowest. As I said just now, 3.6. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. If it happens, full margin, guys. Sell everything and buy. Okay. This is not a financial advice, but this is like my insights lah. I mean, yeah. Okay. And then if Bitcoin goes towards $3,000, sorry, Ethereum has the possibilities to go up to $300, guys. 300, which means around like 1,200 ringgit. Yeah. Okay. So that is part 1 from me. The next part will be talking about the fundamentals, guys. But for now, we're going to move to the next part, which is honey coins. Okay, as you can see, Honeycoin has been doing tremendously well because of the Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is performing well. So now it has broke the previous resistance, which means it's going to go towards $1.48. But before that, it will normally, as per experience, it will retest first. It will go up, retest and go. But if the buying pressure is really high, it can just straight away fly up here. And if it still breaks this part, it has the possibility to go up to $1.6 or go towards the all-time high, which is around $2. And if it still breaks that one, then we will go into price discovery, guys. Price discovery means like we are not going to know how long it's going to fly, but yeah, once it reaches price discovery, we can exit where once it reaches price discovery, I'll let you know, guys, because from now I cannot determine anything and I cannot guarantee anything now for now. So for those of y'all who have staked the honey coins, you guys can slowly exit, not sell everything. Slowly you guys can exit now for the moment. Alright, that's all from me for this time. Thank you and have a good day, guys.